Hi guys, my name is Rohan, and this is the beginning of a new series that I'm going to start on this channel, and that is about C++, the beginner's guide. And not only I'll stop continuing this series when I uh, cover all the basics, but I'll go on and talk about some advanced things. And let me tell you that I am also learning C++ at this moment. I mean, like, I'm a student and I love programming. So as I learn something, I want to share with others, and this channel is a medium of doing just that. So yeah, this is the first video of the series, and in this video I'm going to talk about certain things about C++. I'm going to give you the introduction and how you can get started with C++. But that's not going to be all about the series. I have something special, and you'll discover that as we proceed with the more videos of the series. And this I mean, I don't want this series to be like others. I mean, you can find hundreds of thousands of series on YouTube, or the hundreds of thousands of videos if you just look for them. But what makes this series special is that uh, you are going to discover my plan for this series as we proceed on. And yeah, but I don't want this series to be a boring one, and I want that we learn as we grow. Like, you just get some knowledge about some things of C++ in a video. I just don't want only that. I want that you practically apply that, and you learn from that. You learn from your mistakes and all that stuff. And we'll do the same as we proceed. So I think the video is getting long, uh, and I just want to make everything compact and short. So let's move on to the introduction of the language itself. So C++ is kind of a base programming language, you can say, and this is a pretty old programming language. Even 10 years back, it was being taught to students in schools and universities and colleges. But even till date, in 2017, it is regarded as one of the most important and basic programming languages. And believe me, I have gone through some of the lectures of the language of my in my school, and it's a really interesting programming language, at least for me. So that alone is something that encourages me to learn more about computers and programming languages, and that's all I'm interested in. So let's get started. In this series, I'm going to be using my Mac, but if you do have Windows, that's not going to be a problem. In the second video, I'll show you how you can install a compiler on your Windows PC. But now we are going to get started with Mac. So this is my Mac, and I'm screen recording, as you can see, and I'm going to open Xcode. So you can just search over here, and I'm going to open Xcode. If this is not installed onto your PC, you can just go to the App Store and search for this. So let me just you can go to the App Store and search for Xcode. It's a pretty heavy application, but believe me, that's worth it. And this is the icon for the app, and this is also used by Apple developers. And yeah, you can just install the app from the App Store. As you can see, the size is a massive 4.51 GB. So yeah, you should have some space on your PC in order to install this. So once you open Xcode, you will see a screen like this. You'll see a window like this. Maybe you don't see anything of this sort, but that's not a problem. These are my previous projects. So the thing you are going to do is you are going to go to File, New, and you are going to create a new project. And make sure you select command line tool here. Maybe you see a preview like this, but what you have to do is you have to go to macOS from here and then command line tool and click on next. Next you have to name your project. So you can choose a name, whatever you want. For this I'm going to name it for this series I'm going to name it series, and you can type in whatever you want here. This is a bit technical stuff, even I don't know about this. I don't know about this much, but yeah, you can just name it whatever you want, and then make sure that under the language category you select C++, and let's click on next. And then you'll have to select where do you want to save the project. So I'm going to go to live, and I'm going to go to new I'm going to create a new folder and name it C++, and I'm going to click on create, and that will create a folder with the name series, and that folder will have all of the stuff that I'll use in this series. So this is our file that we'll be working on for quite some while in the series. And yeah, so guys, this was it for the first video. I hope you got something. Like, I don't want you to get bored or that kind of stuff, so I hope you liked it, and if you did, be sure to like the video and subscribe to continue the series if you want. And yeah, for now, let's end this video now here, and yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.